Hi, I'm Joe, founder of Learning While Practicing. Welcome to this Java course from zero to JDBC. In this course, you will be able to learn Java from scratch without any prior knowledge. And the great thing about Learning While Practicing is that you will enjoy learning your different skills while you are actually writing pieces of code and running them from the very beginning. I'm very happy to announce that this course is given by Oracle Java certified instructor, Mr. Lawrence DeCamora. Through these 154 lectures, you will grasp all the different concepts and there will be a lot of practical examples for you to do. So if you're really looking forward to learning Java, what are you waiting for? Just enroll this course and enjoy.